Hi beautiful people, I hope you are all fine. In this video we will learn that how we can download the images that we have integrated with using image tag, and most of the time it happen like we just like paste our images using image tag, and these are displayed, but whenever we are trying to download them, so yeah, we can download them like save as image, but we don't want our users that they must download with this hack, it. But our sometime our viewers user want a download button, and then they download on it, and after that it must be download. So in this video we will learn that how we can download it programmatically. uh, let's go in our code, and we have these three images. You can see that, and I am just looping through them in this image tag. So first of all we will create a download button here. Download image, and after that we will create a function handle download, which will accept the URL of image that we want to download. URL, actually we will just pass this URL, one of this, uh, and then we will download it, and we will make it async function because we need await here. We don't want promise based things. After that we will pass it here on click handle download. Actually we will create a inline function so that we can pass the URL, and this image URL we're gonna pass here, and we have event also, we can pass event also. So we have event and then URL, e dot prevent default, because we don't want to download reload the page when somebody click on this download button, so that's why we have prevented its default behavior. And then we have this URL that we have to download it. One more thing we want to add in the loading, because we don't want to use that what happening in our code, so it will be false in start loading and set loading. Okay, so we have prevented. Here we will use image response, we will use fetch, and we will pass this URL because we want to get the data from this URL. Okay, we will check if image response dot okay. If not okay, then we will give an alert downloading failed. Downloading failed, and we will terminate the function with this help of return. And if we have this, create blob. Blob means the binary large object. We will convert the data in the binary because our computer supports binary. So we will say image response dot blob, and we need to add await here. Await. After that, we have to create a temporary anchor tag. let's say download link and document from our DOM, create element, and we will create a tag, and we will set download link dot href url dot create object url, and we will pass blog. So what it will be do, we have this data and it will convert in a link, and this link will be assigned to this our download link. Okay, now we have to give the name of the download link dot download. We have to give any name. Suppose we can give the name my image dot png. We can get it, and I think we don't need to give the extension. We can give the name because extension will be added automatically. Okay, after that, and now we have to append this anchor tag in the body. Now we will document dot body append child, and we will add this document link here. And now we have to programmatically click on download link dot click, because this anchor tag, when it will be clicked by itself, it will start downloading. And after downloading, we need to clean this link also, because in this step the downloading will be start, but we have to clean also. Document dot dot body remove child, here download link. Okay, so this link is removed from the body, and now we have to get this link also, so that we save the memory, because this is still in the memory. So url dot revoke object and download link dot href, because we have append this href link here, so we have to make it dead. Okay, and it's come with the loading. Let's settle the loading. So when this function will be start, so we will add set loading row. And for example, if we have any error, then we will make it false also. And in other case, like if we have this function complete, then we have to set loading false. One more thing we forget, that we just need to keep this function in try and catch try, so that if any error come in any line, so that we can catch it. So we will bring everything from here, and we will put it in try and in catch error, and in finally we will make our loading false. And if we have still error in any step, then we can handle it alert error message or downloading failed. Okay, I think we are good to go. Yeah, one more thing left, that we have to show the loading here. P loading, and we need to wrap it in a condition that if loading and then we will show the loading. Okay, okay, so we have buttons and we have to click on it. We will still keep the console open if we have error here, and we will click on it. It's loading now, and you can see that now we have the image is downloaded in our computer. Let's check it this once. Okay, so we have this image downloaded, and if we try this one, okay, this one also, this one also. So this is how we can download the images in our React application. I hope you liked the video. If you really did, so please consider subscribe and like my video. Thank you.